At ngayong Women's Month, muling binigyang pugay ng Insular Life ang ilang kababaihang nagsusulong ng mga karapatan at kapakanan ng lipunan para sa magandang kinabukasan. Kilalanin ng mga tinaguriang Sheroes sa agenda report ni Ann Asis Carillo.
Pinarangalan ang mga babaeng game changers sa 6th anniversary ng In Life Sheroes. Sinimulan ang award ceremony nitong Miyerkules. Tampok ang powerhouse vocals ng singer at aktres na si Between Escalante. Layunin ng In Life Sheroes ng Insular Life na tulungan ang mga kababaihan na maging wais sa kanilang financial decisions. Isa rin sa mga goals ng grupo ay bigyang solusyon ang pangangailangan nila.
It's always like good to remind ourselves that in fact the beauty of the woman, no? And it's not like that needs to be celebrated because they're so gifted in many ways. And to me, that's very, very important.
Nakapanayam namin ang tatlong mga awardees. Ang abogadang si Nelisa Guevara Garcia, kinilala bilang kampyon ng mga kababaihan at mga batang biktima ng human trafficking.
Very uplifting. I think we need these kinds of events to just remind us of the work that we're doing, that it's meaningful and purposeful.
Si Marge Aviso naman, pinarangalan dahil sa kanyang advokasya para sa mga Filipino remote workers.
This award is not just, the physical thing or just for recognition purposes, but really this means that all the hard work that myself, my team has put into finally has, come to fruition.
At ang aktres na si Antoinette Toss, kinilala naman para sa kanyang misyon para sa sustainability at social change.
I feel grateful, I feel blessed, and I feel honored to stand side by side with my fellow Sheroes who were honored tonight.
Para naman kay Nina Aguas, Empowered Lady Boss at Executive Chairman ng Insular Life, pangarap niyang makita ang mga kababaihan na on top sa kanilang financial at business decisions.
We're celebrating, of course, our ability to have touched more than 10 million women. And we're also celebrating the fact that we've provided financial literacy to so many. We made customized solutions, health solutions for the women. And then we've also empowered the small, medium enterprises. They're funded, they're supported, they're celebrated.
Milyon-milyon na ang natulungan ng In Life Sheroes sa loob ng 6 na taon. Pero para kay Aguas, they are just getting started. Ann Asis Carillo, Bilyonaryo News Channel.